long and short O sounds. Master English pronunciation and phonics rules. Let's look at the ways in which the vowel O can be pronounced. We'll start with the short vowel sounds. The first pronunciation sounds like uh-oh. For example, onion, other, police, and son. This pronunciation sounds like the O in on. For example, dog, odd, off, often, and orange. This pronunciation sounds like a W. For example, once, one, and oneself. Next are the long vowel sounds. This pronunciation sounds like oh no, which comes from the back of your throat. For example, cold, whole, old, told, and soldier. This pronunciation sounds like oi. For example, boy, enjoy, oyster, toilet, and voice. This pronunciation sounds like the letter O. For example, ego, hello, ocean, only, and so. This pronunciation sounds like you. For example, canoe, kangaroo, loo, two, and zoo. And finally, this pronunciation sounds like you're saying ow in pain. For example, brown, eyebrow, house, now, and vow. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on vowels.